So now we come to the first movement, which is the Tai Chi movement, raising the Chi. It's the beginning movement of all Tai Chi forms. And it starts with a shoulder width stance, your head aligned, body comfortable, and the hands come to the sides. First part of the movement is to raise the hands so that the wrists are rounded and relaxed. And then stretch out gently with the fingers. Bring the arms back to the sides and down. This is a very simple movement. Wrists lead the way. Fingers forward. Back down. To the side. And relax. The breathing is to breathe in as the hands come up. Breathe out as the fingers go forward. Breathe in as the hands come down. And breathe out as the hands relax. So we'll show you from the side. Breathing in as the hands rise up. Breathing out as the fingers move forward. Breathing in as the hands come back. Breathing out as the hands relax. Once again, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. It's important to know about the internal balance of the movement. So, just try raising the hands and feel inside your tummy and chest. And as you do, you'll feel maybe a little bit of tension creeping up the chest. So what we do to offset that tension is to balance the body by bringing the hips back slightly as the hands move forward. This way it stays comfortable and empty inside. Coming back, we bring the body upright. This is a very subtle movement, but it signifies a balance inside, which is part of the whole yin-yang philosophy. If you consider that a big movement is yang and a small movement is yin, we have the yang movement of the arms and the yin movement of the center to balance the forces inside. So this is the basis of the movement and the basis of the breathing. We also have the mental intention. And the mental intention is how to move the energy inside you, the chi energy. And the way that we do this with this particular exercise is to imagine water rising up from the ground and filling up the whole body like a jet of water. As the hands rise up, they come to the wrists, and as you bring the fingers forward, you shoot and project the energy further out of your body, as much as you feel comfortable doing. And then, as you bring the hands in and breathe in, you suck the water back into your body, into your chest, your center, and then let it fall down into the floor. So, breathing in, we bring the water up all the way through the body to the wrists, project it out, suck it back in as you're breathing in, into the body, and then down into the floor. Once again. Breathing in, we bring the water up from the ground, all the way through the body to the wrists, project it forward, and then bring the hands back as all the water gets sucked back into your body, and then let it fall down. Don't push it down, just let it fall down straight back into the ground. Up through the body to the wrists, project it out, and then pulling it all back into the body, and falling into the floor. This is the exercise, raising the chi.